Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a copycat recipe for Wendy's chili. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to brown up 2 pounds of ground beef. Alright, so in another pan you want to get about 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and you want to begin melting that up. Okay, and once the butter is all melted, you want to add 1 onion that we diced up. And then you want to let that cook for a minute or 2. And then you want to add 1 diced up green pepper. And then you just want to, saute, simmer these things for, till they're soft, translucent, all that fun stuff. About 5 or 6 minutes. Alright, let's move on to the slow cooker. Okay, now you want to add the ground beef back that you've cooked and drained. And then you want to add the softened, sauteed veggies to the mix. Okay, and now we want to add a 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Followed by a can of chili beans. And then you want to add about 1 cup of tomato juice. Then you want to add about 1/4 cup of chili powder. Or more, depending on taste. But about 1/4 cup. And then you want to add some freshly ground black pepper. And then you want a big old tablespoon of cumin. And then you want to give this a great big stir around. And then just put the cooker on about medium or low. This is really kind of, you could start it in the morning and leave it until game time or dinner time or whatever. Yeah. Alright, see you at the next step. Okay, and after a couple of hours, it's time to add 2 15-ounce cans of dark red kidney beans that we drained, 1 can of light kidney beans we drained, and 1 can of pinto beans that we drained. And then we just want to stir this in. And then, again, just leave this till supper time. I would recommend turning the heat down to low, though. And then when you're ready, dish it up in a bowl. And that's my version of Wendy's chili. Done.